Do you know what the Rilke Trail is? The Rilke Trail is one of the most stunning walks on the Adriatic coast. This cliff-top trail overlooking the sea is just over 1.5 kilometers long, and it takes its name from the Austrian poet Rainer Maria Rilke, who in 1912 stayed at Duino Castle as a guest of the Princes della Torre e Tasso, also known as the Princes of Thurn and Taxis. The trail runs between Duino and Sistiana and has spectacular views out over the Gulf of Trieste. It's a wonderful walk at every time of the year. In summer, when the scent of warm pine trees mingles with that of the sea air. In autumn, when the many smoke tree bushes turn orange and red. And even on snowy winter days when everything is white. Walking the trail is literally walking over history. During the Second World War, there were defence posts and trenches here, and the area was actually part of Austria. If you take a small detour, you can visit the highest point on the Rilke Trail. Here, there's a concrete platform dating from the war, and it was used to provide defence for a secret submarine base located just below the cliffs in the waters of the Sistiana Bay. The submarines stationed there couldn't stay underwater for long. They could undertake missions which lasted no more than 50 hours, or around 2 days. So these submarines were used for surprise attacks on the enemy. When the war finished, some of the submarines which had been sunk were brought back up to the surface. One of these is now on display at the Diego de Henriquez Museum in Trieste. There is another of these submarines which is still underwater, just off the Sistiana Bay, and scuba divers come from all over to visit it.